Hey everybody, it's Roy from Marvelco12 and EpicDroid.com with another video giving you guys some free arena codes. Just wanted to tell you guys thank you for all the support over the years. You guys are an awesome audience. I love supporting you guys and being able to help give you those updates to the game every week or two. I really do appreciate you guys and I really do appreciate the support. Unfortunately, these codes are getting harder and harder to find. I do have a couple of them here. These were back in the back of my closet. I was able to pull them out and find some for you. As an added bonus, my son happened to have 3 different Pokemon trading card game codes. I'm going to throw those in here as well. But without further ado, let's flip these over and let's see what codes we got. So first up, we have a starter kit. We have another starter kit. We have another starter kit. And one more starter kit. And, oh, another starter kit. I'm noticing a trend here. I just happen to have a couple of those. Sorry, guys. A Bloomburrow pre-release kit. This gets you 6 different Bloomburrow booster packs. Here's another starter kit. And this one is for a Planeswalker deck. This one is for the Caverns of Ixalan pre-release. It gets you another 6 packs, and another starter kit, and another starter kit. So quite a few starter kits in there. Sorry there's not more, but those are the ones where those codes are able to come with. For the Pokemon cards, let's flip those over. We've got one here for Pokemon Prize Pack Series 3, Pokemon Prize Pack Series 4, and Pokemon Prize Pack Series 7. So there's all those codes for you. Guys, give those a try. See if you can cash in on those. Let us know what you pull. We'd love to see what you get and see what you guys have in there. But again, just want to tell you guys thank you for all your support over the years. You guys are awesome. If you guys have any questions, if there's anything I can help you with, feel free to hit me up in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, if Wizards of the Coast releases more codes, hopefully we'll be able to. But give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, you guys have an awesome day.